The chair will make a ruling because I believe it is also his position not to prolong this matter in discussing collateral matters not pertaining to the articles of impeachment that we are hearing and trying before the impeachment court. The chair rules that the manifestation of Senator Judge Padilla shall remain in the records. We cite as a precedent to the precedent mentioned by Senator Judge Pangilinan, where the speech of former Senator, the late former Senator Rene Cayetano was not expunged from the record, but referred to the Senate Senate rather, as a legislative body where it may be taken up. I ask the indulgence of the parties to this case. Wala po kasi kaming session. Ito lang po ang pagkakataong nakakapagsalita at nagkikita-kita kami habang recess kami. Pero umaasa ako, within hearing distance of my colleagues, na kapag ka nag-resume na po ang Senado sa susunod na linggo matapos ang sona ng Pangulo, may pagkakataon na po ang bawat miyembro ng Senado bilang senador, hindi bilang senator judge, na mailabas yung mga hinaing o anumang nais nilang sabihin kaugnay sa anumang nagaganap o nangyayaring hindi tama sa kanila o ginagawa laban sa kanila. And that, I think, is the proper forum for us to ventilate, discuss, look into, and if necessary, investigate the allegations and their accusations against senator judges in their capacity likewise as senators. So ordered.